Hey guys, it's me as a background Ace, and today I'm going to be shooting a simple little tutorial on how to make Shy Guy mask from Mario. So this one isn't going to be a complex, it's not going to be a typical mask tutorial where they just show you how to make a circle and cut out holes. I'm going to be doing a 3D looking thing, but it's not going to be too complicated. That is what I meant to say. So we will be using two of these. Actually, we don't need two of these. Just a little bit to cover the eyes. The most important material we'll be using is going to be just one white A4. So if you've got this, you're all set for today's craft. So the Shy Guy mask, I'm gonna make it a bit small, just because it's more cute that way. I'm not gonna wear it either way, but if you guys want to wear it, you can use the entire A4 to do it. I'm making this so I can like add to my mask collection right over there on my wall. So I've already made a Mario mask. If you want to check that out, it's in my channel already. So yeah, this one is going to be a bit similar to the dream mask I did a long time ago, but this time we'll be making a lot smaller. Oh, I should not have folded it. Let's use a different one. Okay, so it's pretty much a circle. It's not entirely a circle, but it's almost there, so we'll be tracing out a circle. I wish I had a compass right now. Maybe this will do. Just hold on a second there. Oh, that's the perfect size. Let me just trace it out. Perfect. Alright, so we'll cut this out real quick, but I do want it to be a bit more oval. Alright, so it's not going to be a perfect circle. So let's do something like this. See how I'm going out of the line on this side, and I'll be meeting the line once again. That'll make it a bit more elliptical. Maybe this one's a bit too much oval. That is fine. It's like an egg. Let's trim it down a little bit. That's too much oval. Alright, perfect. Now, once we've rated this much, we need to cut out a hole for the mouth right over there. It's a tiny little circle dot. And then two holes right there for our eyes. The eye holes are oval in shape, like that. So I'm going to cut this out. 3. So how are we going to do this? I was hoping we didn't have to fold, because if we fold it, it's going to make a crease. And that's not going to be exactly what we need. Let's use our trusty lead just to make some holes like that. If I mess this up right now, I'm gonna have to redo it, so this step is going to be a bit patience inducing. That's not big enough. It broke my lead. Okay, that should be big enough. That's one eye. Repeat that for the other eye as well. There it is. So we'll use the clean side. Actually, this isn't clean either. Well, this is much more clean than the other side. So this side's not as big. Let me make this eye a bit bigger. No, I think it's too big. This happens every time. Just can't deal with it. Let's try it again. Let's make this side a teensy bit larger. That looks okay. So let's use our black A-foil. See how big we need it to be, and then cut it out. In half. Then we can just do this. This is probably the easiest step so far. Now if you want to be able to look through it, you can cut out holes on these black papers, the exact size unit, but I'm just making this as a prop, so I won't be needing eye holes. But what I will be needing is in fact the cute little mouth down there. So let's just do this. Fill it in. And there you have it. A Shy Guy mask. But, as I promised, I will not be ending it here. We'll be turning it into a 3D, almost a 3D shape. First things first, fold at the top. Actually, should we just... Let's not do the fold at the top. Let's do the quarter folds. One right there. One right on its mirror end. And then one at the bottom, like that. and finally at its middle end. Like so. These ones are a bit too big for my liking. Let me fix that. I'll quickly fix this up and I'll see when it's done. Right, so I finished folding it up. I ended up doing plenty of folds down there, but from the front it looks alright. So yeah, there it is. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next videos, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.